Evenings. Musk was regularly working up to 120 hours per week, according to a 2018 New York Times profile. 1. Musk has reduced his hours since the birth of his child, XA12, yes, that is the child's name, in order to spend more quality time with Grimes and his children. Due to his hectic daytime schedule, he consumes the majority of his calories at night. He relies on business dinners to satiate his hunger, and he freely admits to overeating. Musk adores Diet Coke, claiming that it contains some infernal ingredient. When Musk does consume food, he prefers French cuisine and barbecue. He also occasionally enjoys whiskey or wine. He leaves work around 10 p.m. each night, well after the younger children have gone to bed, and then spends the next few hours reading, watching anime, Evangelion and Death Note, and conversing with Grimes. After a long day, he retires at 1 a.m. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Elon Musk